The pituitary gland it is also known as master gland. Master gland. Okay. Now divided into two parts: anterior pituitary, posterior pituitary, adenohypophysis, neurohypophysis. You may write also 25%, 75%. Okay. This produces only two hormones. कौन कौन से हैं? Simple से याद रख सकते हैं. Posterior pituitary not, it doesn't produce it, but it only stores. I will also discuss. So antidiuretic hormone, also known as vasopressin, and oxytocin, and this anterior pituitary, एक मुझे याद आ रहा है pituitary, we should also discuss this development also, but एक मोटा मोटी में एक रफ मैंने स्केच डायग्राम किया. So anterior pituitary and the posterior pituitary. So before learning these two types, we should first discuss the pituitary gland. Now the pituitary gland is red green color. The pituitary gland is red green color. It measures about 1 gram. It measures about 1 gram. Now pituitary gland originates as Rathke's pouch. From buccal cavity. Okay, pituitary gland originates as Rathke's pouch from buccal cavity and get shifted to the sella turcica of the phenoid bone. That's why अगर आप देखोगे तो pituitary gland rests on phenoid bone. Pituitary gland rests on phenoid bone. Sella turcica. Sella turcica is a depression. It is also an आंख examination. Sella turcica किसमें मिलता है? तो phenoid bone. Okay, so its development originates as Rathke's pouch in the embryonic development and gets shifted to the sella turcica of the phenoid bone. Let us discuss now the anterior. I am discussing anterior pituitary. तो सबसे पहले तो हम बात करूंगा एंटीरियर पिट्यूटरी से कौन से हार्मोन निकल रहे हैं. ग्रोथ हार्मोन. Okay, you may also call it somatotrophin, growth hormones. Now what are the major functions of the growth hormone? Growth hormone have anabolic effect on our body, glucogenesis. Okay, growth of our body, increase metabolism. Okay, bone formation. It is a diabetogenic hormone. Okay, it is a diabetogenic hormone, मतलब ग्लूकोज का संरक्षण को लेवल को बढ़ाता है. ना ग्रोथ हार्मोन का बेसिक प्रॉपर्टीज हमने देख लिया. ग्रोथ हार्मोन एक इम्पॉर्टेंट ये चीज भी है, द ग्रोथ हार्मोन इज द ओनली हार्मोन which are directly linked to the body. It is a commonly asked in the question. Growth hormone is the only hormone that is directly linked to the body, whereas other hormones may have an indirect effect or indirect role, or maybe connected to other organs by the means of some other things, some other chemicals also. So growth hormones का deficiency होगा, या फिर अगर इसका हाइपर इफेक्ट होगा तो क्या होगा? हाइपो. No, I am discussing two things here. Before pituitary, before puberty, after puberty. Okay, so before puberty, अभी जस्ट लिख दे रहा हूं, pituitary dwarfism, अटेलियोसिस, इसको ब्लॉक में लिख दे रहा हूं, अटेलियोसिस या फिर मिडगेट्स. ओके, आफ्टर प्यूबर्टी acromegalia, pituitary gigantism, acromegaly. So we should discuss one by one. अगर ग्रोथ हार्मोन का डिफिशियंसी होगा बिफोर प्यूबर्टी, इट में लीड टू कंडीशन कॉल्ड पिट्यूटरी ड्वार्फिज्म, अटेलियोसिस, एफिसिबल मिडगेट्स. अगर आफ्टर प्यूबर्टी अगर इसका अगर ओवर सिक्रेशन होगा तो इट में गिव टू एक्रोमेगालिया. बिफोर प्यूबर्टी की मैं बात कर रहा हूँ. आफ्टर प्यूबर्टी की अगर बात करूं, अगर इसका आफ्टर प्यूबर्टी का डिफिशियंसी होता है ग्रोथ हार्मोन का, इट में लीड टू पिट्यूटरी सॉरी आई हैव जस्ट पिट्यूटरी gigantism. I think it have messed up. I think it have messed up. So after puberty, अगर इसका होगा, it may lead to acromegalia, okay, and pituitary, before pituitary gigantism and acromegaly. Sorry for inconvenience caused. So growth hormones का deficiency before puberty, pituitary dwarfism, ateliosis, midgets. After puberty, pituitary gigantism. अगर after puberty अगर growth hormones, it may lead to acromegalia, and then अगर hyper होगा तो it may lead to acromegaly. So these kind of things we have related to the growth hormones alone. Now, some other hormones are also pituitary gland. For example, growth hormone देख लिया. The second is prolactin. Luteotrophic hormone works on